We'll guide you through how to export your project in CapCut. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop and make sure your project is ready for export. Once you're satisfied with all the edits, head over to the top right corner of the screen and click on the e-export button. A new window will pop up, allowing you to adjust your export settings. You can choose the resolution, frame rate, and format for your video. Typically, MP4 is the most common format for sharing, but if you need something specific, you can select from the available options. After you've set your preferences, double-check to ensure everything is correct. Then, click on the e-export button at the bottom of this window. CapCut will begin processing your video, and you can see the progress with a status bar. Once the export is complete, you'll get a notification, and your video file will be saved to your designated output folder on your computer. It's always a good idea to check the exported video to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. If you notice anything that needs tweaking, you can always go back to CapCut, make the necessary changes, and re-export. This process is pretty straightforward, but remember that the export time can vary depending on the length and complexity of your video, as well as the settings you've chosen. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.